Starts now.
New video tonight shows an assault on a staff member at a South Phoenix golf club back in November.
This incident coming into focus after former Coyotes player Paul Bissonnette endured a similar incident that very same night at a Scottsdale restaurant. 12 News journalist Sean Rice now piecing together whether or not these two assaults were done by the same group of people. Sean, what's going on?
Yeah, Troy and Caribe, today I spoke with a man named Carter. He's a sophomore in college at Arizona State University. He's also the employee seen in that video at Raven Golf Club in South Phoenix that took several punches to the side of his head on November 24th. He believes the man responsible for attacking him is also connected to an assault in Scottsdale that same evening. It's one that's garnered national attention because of who stepped in to help.
I go to this place called Houston's, one of the best ran chains.
That's former Coyotes player and NHL commentator Paul Bissonnette when he stopped in for dinner at Houston's restaurant in Scottsdale on November 24th. He says he witnessed a half dozen men harassing the waitstaff.
This gentleman with a lime green golf shirt, who's kind of being the antagonist, starts putting his finger in the manager's face and backing him up onto the back side of the bar.
When he attempts to calm the situation, he says punches started flying his way. A fight said to be 6-on-1 spilled into the parking lot and then into a store next door.
I lose my shoe. I'm taking some and I'm giving some. And I would say about the entire time, there was about 5 to 7 of them.
Scottsdale police arrived and arrested these 6 men, slapping them with a variety of assault and disorderly conduct charges. All were said to be visiting Arizona from out of state.
By the time my shift was over, they released the mug shots, and it was immediate. I knew exactly who it was.
That's Carter, who is seen in this surveillance video from Raven Golf Club mere hours before that incident in Scottsdale. As he was trying to close the bar, he says several golfers lingered, refusing to leave.
The first couple people didn't give me any trouble, and then I got to the guy in the green shirt, who is now identified as Danny, and he just got in my face immediately.
Carter believes the man punching him is Danny Bradley, one of the 6 men arrested by Scottsdale police later that evening. Phoenix police say they responded to the golf club after the golfers had already left. They're now working with detectives at Scottsdale police to explore if the suspect description matches.
I hope that they get prosecuted to the fullest extent, and it sounds like that they should at this point. The evidence points to it, but I don't want this to happen to anybody else.
Only one of the 6 men arrested in Scottsdale is facing felony charges. Sean Daly has been released by a Maricopa County judge on cashless bail. It's because of his limited criminal history. But questions remain about whether he will show up to his future court dates after this exchange with the judge.
Are you able to return for any court dates, including the status conference, now scheduled on December 10?
If I have to be, I can try to make it.
It's not a try. I mean, if that's the case, then I'll either set a bond for you or
Then
I'll
I
require
will.
you to
Yes,
stay
Your Honor,
in
I
Arizona.
will make it.
When you're very that cavalier, it's kind of like you're not taking it as seriously. I'm going to try to show up, but at the end of the day, he must show up. If he doesn't show up, he will probably get arrested.
And late tonight, I've learned more felony charges could be coming for some of these men. The Scottsdale City Attorney's Office has referred felony charges to the Maricopa County Attorney's Office for 3 of those 6 men. They tell me the evidence will be reviewed once those charges are submitted. Back to you guys.
It's so bizarre that it's not one incident, 2 separate incidents, same day, apparently unprovoked, like they were just looking for trouble.
Yeah, and mere hours apart. We're talking they may have gone straight from Raven Golf Club to Houston's restaurant to have dinner, got into it with Paul Bissonnette. So Phoenix police or Scottsdale police have not said they're connected yet. That's something we're still exploring, and it's something they are exploring as well.
All right, Sean, thank you. Good reporting. Appreciate it. A Tempe woman says she